G'day, Barry Reese here from Australia. I'm 42 years old. I've been riding for 2 years and I train online with motoacademy.com.
This is going to be really weird because I can't hear my bike over any of yours. Alright, and we'll do a true test. So this is my first time on an actual outdoor track. I'm going to try to continue to talk quiet. It's going to be hard to do because I'm really not going to be able to hear my voice with everybody else around. Also, I don't know how fast these guys are. A couple of them look like they could be pretty fast. So, we'll see. We got Stepix fast. Jack Rogers is fast. I know that for sure. That Covert kid is number 120 fast. What? Is number 120 fast?
Yeah. Oh, who is it?
Yeah.
Jake Covert.
Fast?
Yeah, he's fine.
Okay. Can I beat him on this if he's on a 125?
No,
Close?
maybe.
He's
Yeah.
that good, huh?
I don't know. Can you hit the big tabletop on this?
I bet.
We'll have to see it.
Get out of my way. Alright, we'll see how this thing does here. So far, so good. Nothing like jumping a 100-foot tabletop first lap. Pretty easy. Oh, this thing's actually very good. Very good. I think where I'm going to get killed is just top end speed, but this is so much fun. I had my reservations. I didn't think it was going to be that great on this track, but this is sick. And the only reason I don't sound overexcited and I'm monotone is I'm trying to talk quiet so I don't blow your guys' ears out. This thing's sick. So far, so good. Oh! Woo! And the Supercross suspension on outdoors isn't as bad as I would have thought, because this bike is so heavy. When I hit the bumps, it's nice to have that. Alright, so that's what 250F in front of me. Pulls so much harder up the hill than that 250, it's insane. Let's see. Now, bombing down a downhill, obviously I'll be faster than this guy. Let's see. We got a straight up straightaway here. This will be a good test. Going up the hill. Oh, this is so cool. This section's a little tricky right now. guy is so sketchy. No offense, dude. No offense, but. I'm gonna blow this guy's doors off going up this hill. I don't know if this gets people mad or if they think it's funny, but oh well. You're getting smoked by an electric bike. Feet on the pegs whole way. So good. Whoa. Let's see what he's all about here. Oh, he's gonna let me by? Alright, out to Inham here. It's so bad. Max power limited. What does that mean? Too hot? Battery's too hot. Interesting.
How's the bike?
Sick.
Is it?
It's throwing a warning sign right now, so I think the battery's getting too hot.
Oh, is it?
Feels good otherwise. I'm pretty fast now.
Are fatties on that thing?
A little bit. It's weird, and the thing is, like, without having side plates, you can't really grip it when you whip.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
But I was doing like little kind of like mini oppos, I guess.
Another video.
The problem is I'm starting to get arm pump, and when you get arm pump on this bike, you don't have a clutch to save yourself, so it gets really scary.
You look good though.
Oh, I feel good. Were you up in that top corner, by the way? You see what I do?
Yeah.
Stand up the whole time through. It's fast, right?
Which rut do you think is best up there?
With the one that I was in. Just stand up all the way through it. If you need to sit, just sit on the exit. But standing up through it just gives you the confidence to be able to move the bike under you. Whoa. Oh yeah, it's dead now. Yeah, oh, it's dead. All right. Well, that was fun. Doesn't last long on an outdoor track. My guess is, let's look at the GoPro here as soon as I pull off. All right, let's look at the total time. Oh, my poor Alta is so dirty now. Total time was 24 minutes of pretty hard riding. Wide open track. This is like a third or fourth gear wide open 450 track. I started at about 90% battery. It went into limp mode because the battery got too hot. I think it's about 85 degrees out today, and it's also deep and loamy. So, all right, guys, that was fun. Gives you a good test outdoors what it's capable of. I thought it's blast. More fun than I thought it would be outdoors. Make sure you subscribe. All that good stuff. My headlight's still on. Not sure why. Hopefully the audio sounded okay. And let me know what you guys want to see out of this thing moving forward. Got a lot of horn beats in today. All right, toodaloo.